If your email notifications are not showing on your lock screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix this issue. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on Notifications. At the top, you'll see an option called Display As. Make sure this is set to List. Next, scroll down through the apps until you find Mail and tap on it. Once you're here, make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Also, check that lock screen notifications are enabled, so your emails can appear on the lock screen. You should also turn on badges, so you can see the notification count on the Mail app icon. If you want to hear a sound when a new email arrives, tap on Sounds and choose an alert tone from the list. Now go back to the previous page and scroll up. If you also use the Gmail app, tap on it and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on and that lock screen notifications are enabled. Finally, go back to Settings again and scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Apps, then scroll down until you see Mail and select it. Next, tap on Mail Accounts, then choose Fetch New Data. Make sure Push is turned on. After that, scroll down to the Fetch section and set it to Automatically. Once these settings are enabled, your email notifications should start appearing on your lock screen again.